With practice set 1.3, write the following rational number in decimal form. First example is 9 upon 37. This 9 is in the numerator, so write the 9 inside and the 37 outside. You have to prepare the table of 37 like this. In your notebook also you have to prepare the table like this. 37 zeros are, you have to start with 0. 37 zeros are 0. Like that you have to prepare the table and you have to give the division. You have to first of all see that this table of the 37, 9 is there or not? 9 is not there. Then less than 9, which number is there? 0 is there. So you have to give the division of 0. Zeros are 0. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. You have to give the decimal point. After giving the decimal point, each and every step of the division, 0 will come directly. And you have to see that 90 is there in the table of the 37. No. Less than 90, which number is there? 74 is there. And the second position, 74 will come. 90 minus 74 is equal to 16 will come. Then for each step of division due to the decimal point, again 0 will come here. You have to see that in the table of 37, 160 is there or not. Less than 160, which number is there? 148. 148 means 4s are 148. After the subtraction, 160 minus 148, this 12 will remain. You have to, due to the decimal point, again for each step of division 0 will come. And you have to see that 120 is there in the table of 37. 120, no. Less than 120, which number is there? 3s are. I will say that 3s are 111. After subtraction, this becomes 0. If we observe, this step also 9 will come and this step also 9 will come. Means 9 will repeat and this digit will also repeat. So you have to say that 9 upon 37 is equal to, this will come 0.243. 243. Again 243. Again 243. Like this will repeat. When after giving the division, again 2s are 37, 2s are 74, division will go and this will repeat. This process will not stop. So you have to say that 9 upon 37 is equal to, this group is repeating, 243 group is repeating. So you have to write like this, 243 recurring. This decimal you have to write, this rational number you have to write in the form of decimal. Everybody understand? Then you have to come to the next question. You have to divide this 18 by 42. In the table of 42, 18 is there? No. Less than 18, which number is there? 0 is there. So 42 zeros are 0. Then 18 minus 0 is equal to 18. Here you have to do the subtraction. Then after subtracting, 18 will come. Here no number is here to come downside, so you have to give the decimal point. So here 0 will come. In the table of 42, 180 is there? No. Less than 180, which number is there? 168. 4s are 168. You have to give the division of 4, 168. 180 minus 168 is equal to 12 will come. Due to the decimal point, again 0 will come here. You have to see 120 is there in the table of 42. Less than 120, which number is there? That you have to see. So 2s are, I will say that 84. After subtraction, 120 minus 84, 36 will remain here. Due to the decimal point, again 0 will come. In the table of 42, 360 is there in the table of the 42. You have to see. Then you will observe 336 means less than 360, 336 will come. And this will come in the position 8. So I will say that 8s are 336. After the subtraction, 360 minus 336, remainder will be 24. Understand? Then due to the decimal point, again 0 will come here. In the table of 42, you have to see that 240 is there. Less than 240, which number is there? 210. Then 5s are, you have to say that 210. After subtraction, this will come 30. Then due to the decimal point again 0 will come for this step. This becomes 300. In the table of 42, 300 is there or not, that you have to see. So less than 300, 294 is there. So I will say that 8s are 294. 8s are 7s are 294. 7s are 294. 7s are 294. After subtraction, this will come 6. Then again for due to the decimal point 0 will come here. You have to see that 60 is there in the table. No. Less than 60, which number is there? 1s are, I will say that 42. After subtraction 60 minus 42, what answer will come? 18 will come. If you will observe for this step, 18 will repeat and this division will, this 428571 will also repeat. So I will say that 18 upon 42 is equal to 0.428571. 428571 means this number will repeat continuously, dash dash dash. So you will write in the form 0.428571 because this 428571 will repeat continuously. 428571 will continuously repeat. So you have to write this rational number in the decimal form like this, and after that you have to give the bar upside. Everybody understand? Then you have to come to the next question. You have to divide this 9 by 14. In the table of 14 you have to see that 9 is there? No. Less than 9, which number is there? 0. So you have to give the division of 0. After giving the division of 0, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9 will come. Then no number is here to come downside, so you have to give the decimal point and this become 90. Then 14 6 are, I will say 14 6 are 84 will come. Then you have to divide it by 14 6 are 84. After division, this, after subtraction, this will come 6. Then for each step of division 0 will come. Then 4s are, you have to say that 56. After subtraction 4 will remain here. Again 0 will come for each step of division. Then 14 2s are 28. Because less than 40, which number is there? Less than 40, 28 is there, and 28 will come at the second position. Then 40 minus 28 is equal to 12 will come. Again 0 will come for each step of division. 120 is there in the table? No. Less than 120, which number is there? So 112 is there. So 8s are 112. 120 minus 112 you have to do is equal to 80 will come. This will come 8. Then due to the decimal point 0 will come. Then 14 5s are 70. 80 minus 70 is equal to 10. And due to the decimal point this becomes 100. In the table 100 is there? No. Less than 100. Which number is there? You have to see that 98 is there. 7s are 98. After subtractions 100 minus 98, this will come 02. Then due to the decimal point this becomes 20. If this becomes 20, again you have to say that 14 1s are 14. And after subtraction this will come, this becomes 06. Means this digit will repeat. This digit will repeat. So after which number this 428571 will repeat. So I will say that 9 upon 14 is equal to, I will say that 0.428571, and which digit will repeat? 0.642857. Here division, here 0 will come and you have to give the division of 4, means this after this digit will repeat continuously. 428571. 428571 will continuously repeat. So this one is recurring. So whatever be the digit will recur, that you have to write 0.6.428571. This 428571 is repeating. Don't give the bar on the 6, and in this way you have to convert the rational number in the form of the decimal. I think you understand all these things. You have to write downside one example, another example you have to write. You have to write the table also, and you have to complete the class work.